Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study accounting standards. To truly master accounting standards, start by grasping the foundational conceptual framework. This framework provides the bedrock for all specific standards, offering a crucial context. Next, always identify the objective and scope of each standard. This initial step helps you understand its purpose and applicability, setting the stage for deeper learning. Finally, concentrate on the 4 key areas: recognition, measurement, presentation, and disclosure. Once you have the basics, it's time to deconstruct the standards. Break down complex standards into smaller, more manageable sections. This approach prevents overwhelm and allows for focused study on specific components. Creating summaries or flowcharts is incredibly effective. They help visualize the intricate decision-making processes and interrelationships within a standard. Always pay close attention to the definitions of key terms, as their precise meaning is critical for correct application. Understanding theory is one thing, but practical application is where true mastery lies. Work through numerous practical examples and case studies. This hands-on experience helps bridge the gap between theory and real-world situations. Try applying the standards to various hypothetical scenarios. This builds your problem-solving skills. Crucially, understand the impact of different accounting choices on financial statements, as this reveals the practical implications of each standard. Accounting standards are dynamic, so continuous learning is essential. Regularly review previously studied standards to reinforce your knowledge and ensure long-term retention. It's also vital to stay updated with new pronouncements and amendments. Standards evolve, and you must evolve with them. Engaging in discussions or study groups can provide diverse perspectives and insights, enriching your understanding. This ongoing commitment ensures you remain proficient and current in your accounting expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.